Assalamualaikum friends, here is a resume mega bundle with different file format like InDesign, Microsoft Office, Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, but these are protected password in this app. Buy now for lifetime all password in this app. And here is my Facebook page. Last is my Telegram channel. Join me for latest notification of my any video. Here is not just a CV resume. Here letterhead and many other file like stationery, in wallpaper, portfolio, etc. And here just Photoshop file, InDesign, and next is cover letter, reference, CV resume, Adobe InDesign and Microsoft Office with different color. Open this one in red color. You can first you need this font from web. Here is A4 size John Smith, A4 size InDesign and Microsoft Office, MS Word. Resources, icon, cover letter, resume for InDesign and Microsoft Word. Here is just Photoshop. All files are editable. Write anything. These are CMYK color. Here is a cover letter, portfolio and resume. Here is signature, scale. Oh. Depend your choice. Icon. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.